Crypto is much harder than it looks. That's why every single 4 years since Bitcoin has been created, people have made and lost fortunes. You have to be smarter than the average investor to make the big money. But more importantly, you have to be able to keep the money. Easy come, easy go. That's the story of the masses. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to build a portfolio with staying power. Let's get it. I'm not a financial advisor. Welcome to BitBoy X. I'm your host, the BitBoy. If you like me showing you how to make the easiest and safest gains in crypto, then smash the like button, subscribe to the channel, and hit the notification bell for more. Don't forget to do that. Here's the deal. In crypto, slow and steady doesn't just win the race, it builds empires. And that's exactly what we're doing here with today's portfolio. We're diving into the SafeFolio. If you're new or need to catch up, you can find details on all of our investor profiles by clicking the link above. I've created 4 investor profiles to match the common goals of investors in our community, each tailored to fit a specific investment style. Today's investor profile spotlight is on SafeFolio, designed for those who prioritize security and low-risk investments. SafeFolio aims to deliver steady returns and peace of mind, making it ideal for those looking to protect their capital while growing it gradually. SafeFolio is crafted for those who know the power of even a 1% movement, where every single gain counts, especially when size is on your side. If you're new to the crypto space or prefer a more cautious approach, this strategy keeps you on solid ground while still capturing the growth opportunities in this market. Whether you're a whale moving millions of dollars or simply want reliable, consistent gains without the high-risk roller coaster, SafeFolio is your ticket to steady wealth building with confidence and control. In these spotlight videos of each investor profile, we're going to show you how I have broken down the portfolio into segments representing different categories in crypto. I will explain why each of the segments are included and what percentage of your portfolio you should dedicate to this category. That percentage is where choice comes in. You can choose the coins and their percentages, as long as the total adds up to the correct allocation percent for each section. Now, if you want to see my list of suggested coins, make sure to sign up for the NWF newsletter to get all the information. Hope you guys sign up, it's going to be great. In this video, I'm going to be providing 2 totally randomized SafeFolios based on the allocation model we built. And then for the grand finale, I'm going to be giving you my BitBoy power picks for the SafeFolio. Exactly how I would set it up if this were my portfolio style. So make sure to stick around until the very end. You don't want to miss that. So let's break the sample SafeFolio down. The first segment, we've got the foundation of every serious whale or conservative portfolio, the top 2, Bitcoin and Ethereum. These 2 assets aren't just the backbone of crypto, they're the engines driving the entire market forward. With Bitcoin's deflationary mechanics and Ethereum's enterprise and institutional adoption, you can't go wrong holding a major chunk of these. That's why we've dedicated a full 35% to the top 2, ensuring your portfolio stays grounded in the most reliable digital assets. But you get to choose the percentage of each. You can go 50-50 or 100-0 and anything in between. Up to you. The next category is my all-time most profitable altcoin category, Layer 1 blockchains. This is why we've allocated another 35% of your portfolio to major Layer 1s, projects like Sui, Solana, Near, ICP, and more. These are the ecosystems that are driving the next wave of decentralized apps, DeFi, and NFTs. You're not just betting on individual coins, you're betting on the entire infrastructure of the future financial system. And guess what? You're in early. Congrats. Now for the last segment of the portfolio, solid picks. This is where you can add a little flavor without sacrificing safety. We're talking about top tier altcoins with strong fundamentals. Think Chainlink, for instance, which connects smart contracts to real world data, or Filecoin, which is revolutionizing decentralized storage. And let's not forget about something like BitTensor, a cutting edge AI network that's already shaking things up. This 30% allocation gives you exposure to innovative projects without taking on too much risk. With the SafeFolio, you're not chasing moonshots. You're building a foundation that will last through bull markets, bear markets, and everything in between. You see, it's all about consistency, risk management, and maximizing returns without the wild swings. Now, let's take a look at how you could set up your own SafeFolio. I've created 2 randomized sample portfolios to show you different ways you could play this. We'll pop them up on the screen here. You'll see that in example number 1, we see a 25% BTC, 10% ETH top 2 strategy. Then for L1s, we see 8% each for Algorand, Avalanche, and Cosmos. Then a wide assortment of solid picks, including 7% Aave, 6% Render, 5% each for Link and Doge, 4% for Filecoin, and 3% for Injected Protocol. In example number 2, we see a 30% BTC, 5% ETH top 2 strategy. Then for L1s, we see 10% each for Aptos and Phantom, 8% for BNB, and 7% HBAR. Then the solid picks category contains 10% each of XRP and Floki, and then 5% each to Near and Tau. Now it's time for my SafeFolio Power Picks. This is the portfolio I believe is going to pull the heavy weight if you did it like this. We're locking in 25% Bitcoin and 10% Ethereum, followed by Sui at 15%, Solana at 10%, and then 5% each going to BitTensor and ICP. For solid picks, I decided to go with a very diversified collection. This is where the potential upside is. So let's make sure we catch some good ones. I put 5% each into GRT, Render, Ondo, and Fetch, soon to be ASI of course. Then I divided further and did 2% each to Phantom, Jasmy, Aave, Polygon, and Pyth. Comment down below what you think about my picks. So there you have it, the SafeFolio. Whether you're a crypto whale looking to protect your gains or a more conservative investor who's just getting started, this portfolio is designed to give you steady, reliable growth in the wild world of crypto. The SafeFolio combines the best of stability and strategic growth, ensuring you're well positioned for whatever the market throws your way. And remember, while the sample portfolios give you flexibility and options, the way I've set up my SafeFolio Power Picks, I think could be the blueprint for success in this category. You're not just following trends, you're making calculated moves that can turn consistency into serious gains. With SafeFolio, you can sleep easy, knowing your investments are built to last. So if you want to navigate the crypto market with confidence and safety, this could be your portfolio. Let's lock it in, Bit Squad. You've got the plan, now it's time to execute. And don't forget to check out the upcoming BitBoy Bootcamp. Make sure to sign up for the NWF newsletter to get all the information. That's all I've got. Be blessed. BitBoy out.